Learn how we recommend using Walker tape products for a full lace front install. Watch our 5-step playlist to see our products in action. Prep your client's scalp for a lace front reinstall. Here are the products we recommend for preparing your client's scalp for a hair system reinstall. We love using Bond Breaker shampoo for this. It washes away any leftover stickiness, scrubs the scalp, and cleans the hair. While too strong for daily use, it's the most important product to prep your client for reinstall. 99% alcohol ready skin for the best holds to our tape. Give the area you're applying the unit to a quick wipe with 99% alcohol using a sponge brush and let it evaporate before setting the tape into place. Max Hold Sport boosts hold times and shields your client's scalp from irritation. Once applied, let it dry before placing your client's hair system. And remind your client they can swim, shower, and work out immediately after their appointment. Now, your client is prepped and ready to install their stored hair system. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. We love hearing from our awesome customers.